Hey, this is Raccoon Catcher, and today, I don't care so much about this, but I've been hearing noises 24/7. It's crazy. Anyways, I found out that it was this little guy. They may be small, but they do make some serious noise. Matter of fact, I think I'm hearing one right now. Anyways, so my dad went down, shot it, and it was actually pretty cool. My grandma's dog started going crazy. And it was absolutely vicious because, I mean, look at these claws. Crazy. Anyways, so see you next time on the video, Raccoon Catcher.